Young men.
Good afternoon.
What brought you to my shrine?
Baba, see, like this now, we just want to have money. We just want to get money. We don't want to do anything. We just want to get money.
Plenty money. We want the day house. We will not work because country is hard. So we don't to work.
We don't want to stress ourselves again.
We want just get plenty money. See, Baba, the kind of money wey they find, and money wey we say, if we dey for toilet, money go to come out inside toilet. If we dey for room, money go to fall from bed.
If you have to cook,
if money go to come out.
Money go to come out.
Now the kind of money we dey find.
Mommy,
Hey.
My son, like you said, the country is hard. Even the gods find it difficult to do jazz. Yes! But not to worry, you have come to the right place.
Thank God.
We don't send at the right place.
Thank God. Thank God say we come.
Are you sure you are willing to do what it takes to make money?
Baba, see, before we even come here, we don't prepare our mind, say, if not to kill person, we fit kill him. Anything wey you want make we do, we go do am.
And even if you tell us make we bring one head, Baba, we go bring like 14 heads.
Yeah, you understand?
Now just to tell you how serious we dey.
You know, a river does not flow into a forest without pulling down trees. And what the eagle sees in the sky can definitely blind the chicken when it comes close.
Yeah.
And you too know that an elephant does not go into a forest without making wave.
And elephant can't take concern wetin we want.
Baba, look also. When we come here, we tell you say na money we want. We don't tell you say we want start animal business. Which one be elephant?
Elephant and water.
Ego, which one be chicken?
Which one be water and forest?
Okay. I told ego. We want money.
Do not interrupt the gods, for their ways are strange. Ibudu! A child that have been back for a journey don't know that the road is far.
Sing those parables.
You be mumu. Mayana.
How come? Wetin concern the small pikin wey dem mama back for back one come see dey see road. Pikin wey dey born new dey see.
Okay. We want money. Nyanye go give us money.
Nah.
Give us money.
Ibudu! Akwado kirikiri ka na buko sadi ari elu. Gbomoku na nanu. Oya to bo wan go, oya to wada bo wan gbi. You have heard what they said. The gods need 1 minute for your answer. Now, you go and bring a lady's undies. Pint.
Baba, a pant, Abi.
A pint.
Only pant.
How many pants do you want us to bring?
Just one. Only one pint. And all the wettest in this world, he will do. We bring it to you.
But I know what we will bring 14. 14.
I have one promise for you that when we come back here, we will decorate this your shrine with pants.
It is how they play. It is how they play.
This your shrine. We will change the name to Pants Shrine.
Pants go there everywhere. Like, only pants.
Leave my shrine.
Pants, don't
Pants.
I have passed your message.
Ima.
Agriba. Nah, but Agriba, that man look us finish. I go tell people like us when we serious, when we need money, gonna say we go bring common pants. I mean, that man tell how they play.
Now instead this man go say make we bring human head on newborn baby.
You understand?
Oh, we go find private part. Bring.
Private parts.
They say make we bring pants.
At this time, go tell us we gonna do sacrifice for main road so that people where they travel go they die. We bring their blood come. Or make we go they catch, we go catch mommy water. He gonna tell us we bring common pants.
See, we go still try am. You understand? You see all these men, their powers they different. And maybe this one empower they for pants. So we just bring pants. Make it.
This makes sense.
Money like
Wisdom.
dumb.
But the thing is, say, how one country gets this pants now? That be the problem.
Pants no be problem now. Pants full everywhere now.
Pants full everywhere, but how one they get pants? You get any girl, we sabi any girl where they spray. You know, say girls these days they spray pants. They don't wear pants again. Brazil they wear.
Who just dey waka? If you dey waka, you show me say we go see pants or go see one girl where they wear pants. And you don't go tell me say all the girls know they wear pants now. Who just dey waka won't see person where they wear pants?
They go now because we need this money sharp.
But
You know,
like,
so I tell you, say I want build house.
I know now. Me, I tell you, say I want buy motor.
I'll come buy limousine. I give you
Don't make money.
I swear. Now I won't come to see
Me, I don't
pants.
say we
Nah.
want see girl. I don't say me. Show me say we want see girl.
What happen?
See that girl now.
What happen now?
Oh, go follow her and know where she dey stay now. Hey, you don't know say that girl she they go dey wear pants.
Kalai. This girl say this girl the person who wear pants. You know say how she dey? As like that she no wear pants, she no wear bra.
No be wetin you go dey look now. And she wear jean. How you want take know wetin she do? Wetin she wear inside? No, just follow her and know where she dey stay. Even if you no see where she spread her clothes today, tomorrow morning you go see her. You know say na woman she be and girls say if they just reach house they come out to think they wear wash her.
Not true.
So you go test
Not true. Hey, move now.
Move like she don't buy finish. Move go.
She will get pants.
And show me say she don't wear pants.
See the guy house where she dey stay. This guy go get pants.
She go get pants.
Move there and wait for her.
Move there and wait for her.
Any year when she come out, we go there and wait for her. Find paper, move sit down.
You want to sit down? You want to come? You come walk. You want to come sit down again?
That's so good.
You guys stay active.
I don't dey hungry.
Mumu man. Hi. You better like say you don't want to make money. You guys stay active so that if you just come.
The earlier you learn to be who you are, the better it will be for you. Man knows himself. You don't know yourself. May God not allow them, make them kill you.
See pants.
See pants, baby.
Mu carry this one.
Mu carry this one.
No, mu carry this white one. I know say this white one will give us plenty money.
He go give us plenty money.
White money.
Mu carry. Mu still carry the other ones now.
No.
Why?
Papa say mu carry one.
Wetin come happen now? That 3 pants dey here now. We no go come like this and leave them now.
No, you know what these 2 pants, you know that na trap where they set up for us. Papa say we carry 1 pant. Na this way I know your life where you dey. You too dey greedy.
See, that man don't want make we get plenty money. Now why him talk so? If we carry 3 pants, we'll get plenty money.
As long as say Papa say we carry 1 move dey go.
You don't want make more money? We'll carry a mood.
Papa say we carry 1 pant. Baba,
Baba,
we don't come.
we don't come. And like we told you, we brought the pants and even brought extra panties on top.
Panties.
Because we want money. We know that the more the pants, the more the money.
Abacha and the more, you people have proven yourself strong and worthy to have money.
Yes, sir.
Give her.
I'm gonna get the panties now. Look at the panties here, Baba.
This is a very good pint. It will fetch you a whole lot of money.
I talk her.
Riches.
You know, sir, tell you say this white pants will give us plenty money.
You know that my motor, I don't buy that.
Poor me, Amia. Abacha and the more. Yeah. Where did you two get this pint?
No, Baba, you know the thing. Again, where we go collect the pants.
Yeah, why you did? It doesn't concern Baba where you sent
But
us.
I tell am say make you no carry
You
wapa
sent us
support.
on mission to bring pants. Baba, we don't bring pants for you now. Just give us money, make we dey go.
This pint look exactly like the one I bought for my daughter last week.
Centros parables.
You be mumu. Mayana.
Abacha and the more, and he have a name written on.
Baba, you see I talk am. You see this thing where they talk. No collect. Baba get phone.
Hello,
Hello, Daddy.
my daughter. Mbano, where are you? Where are you?
I'm home.
Is it free?
Yes, I just got back.
Very good. Now, come to the office immediately.
Okay, sir, I'm coming.
You see this thing where they tell you. See.
They never show you say you be mumu.
If you move, if you step an inch, I turn you to 1 hour.
I talk this thing, no. Baba, is okay. I don't want any money again. I won't go.
If you move, I turn you to 1 hour.
No,
Yeah.
me I don't want.
My daughter,
Centros parables.
Mumu man.
is this not your undies, your pints that I bought for you? Check it, that is your name written there.
This is my pint. On my way here, I was even looking for it. I couldn't find it.
You brought my daughter's point to make money.
You don't be good like say I don't want to make this money.
Nah, me I don't want make money. Baba,
Hey, Baba.
Baba,
Baba,
we don't want make the money.
The gods have arose.
Baba, Daddy.
Say, Daddy, me I don't want make money. I
Daddy,
swear.
we don't want
Me
to-
I want go find work. I want go
I
find
want
work.
to go find work like this time. Make you and your daughter just.
Daddy, do you know that my sugar daddy, since he has refused to take care of me and I've not seen anyone to do the rituals with, let's use them for the ritual.
You are making sense.
Yes, Daddy.
Centros parables.
They never show you say you be mumu.
Agidiba.
If you move,
Mommy. Mommy.
And they never leave you. They have left you.